सो हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज हम हैं अपने कुछ बहुत ही खास गेस्ट के साथ। आज हम हैं पेरिस में, बट पेरिस इन गुड़गांव। एंड हेयर वी हैव आवर वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट तापसी एंड जोई।
So we have these two beautiful and amazing people with us, and they want to discuss how they figure out things, how they're working here, and especially Zoe, who has come here, long away from France, and she is working in order to build something special. And they both are working together. So we'll try to figure out how they actually plan things, how they figure out things, and how this whole process of Airbnb works.
ओके सो मैंने थोड़ा सा डुओलिंगो पे स्टार्ट किया था कुछ लैंग्वेजेस सीखना, एंड फ्रेंच मैंने सीखा था, बट मुझे आज बहुत कुछ एक स्पेशल रहेगा मेरे लिए बिकॉज वी हैव जोई विद अस। सो वुड यू प्लीज लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन फ्रेंच?
Bonjour à tous, moi c'est Zoé. J'aime beaucoup l'Inde, तो मैं थोड़ा हिंदी भी
ओह माय गॉड
सुधरेगा समय के साथ, लेकिन हाँ मैं मैनेज कर सकती हूँ। और मुझे इंडिया बहुत पसंद करती हूँ। This opportunity came, very nicely in my life because I was frustrated with my job. Both of us were in the corporate world, and we were just kind of fed up with it. I was, really feeling like doing something more creative. And my partner, who is also my sister-in-law, welcomed me on board, and she said, "Zoe, this is a good idea. Let's start an Airbnb. Let's make it Paris themed because you can help out. You know what it looks like." But really, she's been amazing the whole time. She has an eye for design, and she had a vision. So I was just there by her side. But maximum, she has, arranged this place, and we've come a long way. I mean, I'm giving the floor to her. She'll explain our journey.
Beautifully explained. Now let's come to Tapsi. So would you like to take this forward?
Yeah, sure. So let me just introduce myself.
Yes.
So I've had around 15 years of experience in the corporate world. I've worked with the biggies of the corporate, scenario, and it's been like almost 15 years I spent over there. And somewhere down the line, this seed had started, the seed had started propagating. It's just that at times होता है ना कि करें ना करें, वो वाली सिचुएशन आ गई थी। एंड आई सेड कि अभी नहीं करेंगे तो फिर एक्चुअली में कभी नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो ये वही सिचुएशन थी दैट आई जस्ट टुक अ स्टेप। इट वाज अ हार्ड स्टेप, एंड दिस ईयर समवेयर इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल आई स्टार्टेड द वर्क, एंड दैट्स हाउ थिंग्स started formulating कि हाँ अब इस लाइन में जाना है, यही काम करना है, एंड बहुत टाइम से सोचा हुआ है। तो just let's take a step.
I'll be honest.
So she escaped the matrix and beautifully she did it. Yeah.
So I'll be honest. Generally, हम 2025 के अंदर हैं, but फिर भी मतलब लोगों को लगता है कि चीजें अचीवेबल नहीं है। Especially guys like us working in a corporate and trying to figure out कि हम और क्या बेहतर कर सकते हैं। पैशन कुछ और है और अभी रियलिटी कुछ और है। So मतलब वो थॉट प्रोसेस आपके पास कैसे आया कि मैं जॉब छोड़ के और स्टार्ट करूंगी, एक रिस्क लूंगी? Is a risk, right? Is a risk.
Yes. So basically, I would say, यार देखो होता क्या है ना कि first of all you need to do a lot of analytics behind. That's the first step which you have to take. So आप कोई भी वेंचर, बिजनेस वेंचर, चाहे आप ये वाला वेंचर की बात करें या किसी और वेंचर की बात करें, you have to understand the data behind it. You have to gather the data, read the data, analyze the data, and you need to understand कि क्या ये मेरे लिए possible है, नहीं है. Likewise, because I said already this thought was there in my head since couple of years.
Okay.
And जब मैंने इसमें analysis शुरू की, तो I saw that in Delhi NCR. So Delhi NCR is not your seasonal business. Let me tell you. And specifically, Gurgaon is not your only seasonal business.
Yes.
All year round, up and down the curve is, but you will get a certain number of occupancy rates
Okay.
in a month. So that was one thing which actually enticed me because होता क्या है कि जब आप हिल स्टेशन जाते हैं तो you know there are these certain months जहाँ पे आपका बिजनेस अप होगा और कोई ऐसे मंथ्स होंगे जहाँ पे आपको डिप मिलेगा. यहाँ पे इट्स मोर और लेस अ फ्लैट विद अ लिटिल बिट अप एंड डाउन.
Okay.
So that was one thing which actually got my interest, and वहीं से I thought it. Then again there was this thought process कि कितनी बड़ी प्रॉपर्टी में जाना है. You know, when you are starting out, how big a property you want. So उसमें भी there was a deep dive analysis जहाँ पे I took down some reports from certain websites. They were paid reports. They were paid this thing. I got in touch with fellow Airbnb people
who are already running.
Yes, I spoke to them, and not only in Gurgaon, I spoke to some in Himachal, I spoke to some in Chandigarh, I spoke to some in Jaipur. So after all that thing, I got to understand that let's start small. That's a 1 BHK because 1 BHK has got the highest occupancy
Yes.
rate compared to 2 BHK and 3 BHK. One BHK occupancy does not only give you the occupancy, because there are people who are traveling to Gurgaon from other cities, and they have XYZ so many reasons to come to Gurgaon.
Yes.
Because Gurgaon is a hub of head offices, and there are a lot of vendor suppliers who would like to come over here, pitch their product, or travel for XYZ reasons for medical. There's already
Variety
there are so
of
many good hospitals over here. So taking all those things into account, we strategically focused on 1 BHK. Now this thing was clear that we are going on a 1 BHK. It was a step-by-step process. The second step was to find which is the area which we want to actually come in. That took us a lot of time because we had areas on the Dwarka Expressway, we had areas in the golf course extension, but we as partners, we were very much focused that we want an area right in middle of Gurgaon which is very accessible to many places, like the metro should be there, the major the social hubs should be there, the activity zone should be here. So that was one thing which got us to the locality part tick mark.
Where you are right
Once we got the locality part tick mark, obviously then we did our on ground footwork, and finally we could find this.
So to the guys who are thinking they have just started a Airbnb, this was the process.
Yes.
They've gone
And
through all this.
the most unbelievable thing for me is that you've just started in April, and everything is so beautifully
No,
curated.
April, let me just tell you, April was just the start of the thought. See, thought was there, but the work started in April. Actually, the work started in the month of July. We signed the agreement in the month of July.
Okay.
July, August, we spent in getting it all spruced up. And here we are in September, sitting in front of all of you.
It's amazing.
Amazing. And people can't even do fitness transformation in a matter of 3 to 4 months. Coming to that, I just got to know that Zoe is a fitness enthusiast like us. So would you like to explain something about that?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, fitness is very helpful in my mental health. And recently I had a baby, and I didn't quit fitness during my pregnancy. I don't know if that's right or wrong.
No, that is definitely, that's very nice because you skipped all the major complications post birth and all that if you are into fitness.
I guess, yeah. I mean, I have a very active baby.
Yeah.
I hope she doesn't break anything in this case.
No,
She hasn't
Sophie
come
doesn't.
too often, but yeah, I mean, that's actually a good idea. In one of our properties, we can have a fitness, area or something.
Yes.
Or a,
Yes.
running
We
mat.
So
We can do
this
that.
might be
Yeah.
the start of a
Right.
new idea, guys.
Because, over here, the lifestyle is not too much about walking around. In small European cities, it's very much ingrained in our life. I mean, everyone takes the metro. If you live in the heart of Paris, you don't have a car because it's too expensive. So, yeah, I think this is a good idea.
What I can see is at one point when a profession is like something ki we love it, we love doing it.
Yeah.
Right now I can see in both of you ki whatever you're thinking, you are just trying to apply it here also.
Yeah.
I
So-
think that is what makes you successful, working on your idea, not
Yes.
just thinking and
Thinking.
thinking and
It's
thinking.
something
because
which we believe in.
Yes.
And that's what has actually we love coming here.
Okay.
You know, every single day when we get up, we are like, okay, we are going there. Let's see what the guest has done today.
Yes,
you know,
yes.
so yeah, we just love being here.
also
That's
meeting new people
Yes.
every day.
We make it
every
a
once in
point
while.
when there is a checkout, we are there to say hello to them and take feedbacks from them. Trust me, we have got some really good feedbacks from the guest. You know, small things they have told us, and we are trying to incorporate them. We just love that feeling.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's good for business also. Okay.
Okay, so my next question is, how does this, like, what all investment was needed? Like, is this property rented, or is it like, how is it your own? Have you purchased it?
Okay, so no, this is not our purchased property. This is a rented property, but I would say on a long leash.
Okay.
So we have taken a couple of years,
Okay.
on the terms and conditions which we spoke to the owner.
Okay.
We had a very clear-cut communication with the owner. We told him what we are getting into. We spoke to him that we specifically want to register our Airbnb. We got that incorporated in the contract also, that particular mention of Airbnb. So that things are very clear. We don't. We will always encourage that. See, clarity in any kind of business always gathers trust, and trust
Definitely.
is the
Basis
foundation
of any relationship, personal or professional.
Yes. So that is the first thing what we did. And apart from this, whatever we have, because there have been few structural changes which we did in the
Yes.
property. We had the owners, yes, before going ahead. Because there have been times when the owner was not very fine with our thought, and we said, yes, okay, we respect your thought because the property is yours.
Yes.
But then we found a way out, maybe not this route, maybe something
Yes.
else on the designing part which would help in the aesthetics. So this is one thing which we always took care of. Going on the investment, I would say, see, basically, if you'll see, this is a Parisian theme Airbnb.
Right.
There are people who are starting an Airbnb with minimal investment,
Yes.
with minimal furnitures, and I'm not sure how much they are, investing into that. But since our brand name is ZNT World Homes, we want to get the world cities right here in Delhi NCR for
Okay.
people to see how the culture, how the setup of the houses are in those particular countries. So we would say, yes, there was some considerable amount of investment done in this property, getting it up and running. But yes, with the support which we are getting from people, they're coming, they're visiting, and they're not only coming, people who are coming from Delhi NCR. The best thing is people are coming from Morocco,
Oh.
people are coming from Indonesia,
Okay.
people are coming from Canada. That's the reach this property has,
As if you are
started.
giving something. You're giving something.
Yeah, they're loving the property. They're coming. And let's not, minus the Indian cities people. Recently we had a couple who visited us all the way from Amritsar.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because they saw the reel and they were like, oh wow, we need to spend our anniversary here. The husband wife came here and they
Sweet.
spent the anniversary over here. Likewise, there was a couple who came from Bangalore. We want to spend time over here.
Yeah.
They came here, they wanted to celebrate their special moments over here.
It's lovely.
So that's how we are developing. We are going forward.
That's nice. So,
Yeah.
after that, I would like to ask, as you said, ZNT is your brand, and you want to curate all the Airbnbs with different themes of
Yes.
cities, countries. So, do you have any future plans, or what all countries are you coming up with in the future?
Two of them are very, very clear right in our foresight.
Okay.
One is Moroccan theme.
Okay.
In 2 to 3 months' time, we are going to come up with a Moroccan theme, and I'm telling you, it will be one step higher than this property.
Yeah.
That's a promise to everyone who's watching.
Okay.
So people have given us very positive feedback about this. Trust me, it's going to be even more better, the one which we are getting. And the third property which we are thinking of is the Japanese theme.
Okay, that's really nice because so many of my friends from college, from I think Japanese and Korean culture has so much hype here
Yes.
in the
It's
recent
evolved.
past years. Yes,
Yes.
it's evolved a lot. K-pop
We have
culture.
already shortlisted
Yeah.
few themes, and we are working on it.
You know, I must tell you guys, these both are, you know, very humble. They are very humble, and you know, behind the camera also, they are talking like just they know us from years. And you know, what I think is this humbleness comes from the hard work people put in. You know, all the amount of, you know, efforts you're putting in here. It's, you know, it looks on your faces on this property also,
Thank you
and it's really great.
Thanks.
And it's just not business by all the equipments and all the inventory that they have put in. No, it's because of the trust, the love, the kind of relationship that they share with each other, with their guests, with everyone, that really shows here.
It's too much love. We have it and we want to give it also.
We are already getting some
Yeah.
requests from our existing guests. We want to come back and like, oh wow, that's really nice.
The best thing about the business is when the people keep coming back, the customers
Yes.
come back.
We wish that they grow really high and they bring every country to India.
Definitely.
Fingers crossed. Thank you so much.
So much. Bye bye.
Bye.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Bye, Bella.